I've passed this tree 14 times. I went hiking alone last Saturday. The forest was beautiful and the trail was marked beginner 2-hour loop. I started bright and early at 8 a.m., thinking I'd be back in time for lunch. After 2 hours, I should have been back at my car, but I kept seeing the same landmarks. There was this weirdly shaped rock, so I took a photo to be sure. 30 minutes later, there it was again. I checked my phone. It matched perfectly. The time was 12:47 p.m. I started to panic and tried going the opposite direction, just running through the woods. It didn't matter. I kept ending up at the same tree. I looked up. The sun wasn't moving. My phone still said 12:47 p.m. Wait, my watch says it's 3:15. That's when I saw them. People on the trail ahead. I yelled, "Hey, hello." They turned around and my heart stopped. They were wearing my clothes, my jacket, my backpack. One of them looked right at me and said, "Don't look at the trees." So, of course, I looked up. Carved into every single trunk was a date. July 3rd, 2019, October 12th, 2021, and today's date, slowly being carved into the bark right in front of me. They found my car 3 days later. I don't remember how I got back.